Because what I later understood better was that even though a woman may know she needs to use a condom to protect herself, she didn't have the power to insist on it, especially if he's the one who's paying the bills, feeding
Right.
her, whatever. I had a classic case of a woman who her husband had left her. She had a 6-month-old baby and a child who was supposed to start school.
Hmm.
And her husband was a minibus driver. So she spoke to another minibus driver, asking him, please talk to my husband, tell him, that my daughter's supposed to start school. I don't have money to buy her uniforms and so on. And the gentleman that he said, okay, I'll do it, but you have to sleep with me first.
Wow.
And she was
Oh.
so desperate, but she did ask him to use a condom. She had the
Mm.
presence of mind to ask him to use a condom, but he
Yes.
refused. But what
Mhm.
she didn't know is that she had gonorrhea. Now, sometimes you can have gonorrhea, which is they call it leak on the road in Guyana. I don't know what it's called over there.
Mm.
But
Mhm.
a woman can have it and not know she has it. With
Wow.
men, it's usually a florid, discharge. They know it. But a woman can have it and not know it. And probably her husband may have given it to her and she didn't know.
Mm.
So he turns up with this problem. She's there and he's being very abusive to her. And I'm like, but she didn't rape you. And in fact, she asked you
Right.
to use protection and you
Right.
refused to do it. But when when he was leaving, she turned to him and said, are you still gonna help me with that thing? And it
Wow.
struck me, it's like, hold on. This man has been so rude to you.
Right.
Why would you even turn to him to ask him for a thing? So it turns out he had promised to help her buy the school uniform things for her daughter if he slept with her.
Mm.
And she still needed the things. So she
Right.
was still, even though he was being so abusive, she still asked him, are you still going to help me? And
Wow.
that struck me. I thought no woman should be in a position
Position
where
like
she's
that.
forced to, you know, do that sort of thing
Yeah.
on his terms just to be
Right.
able to
Yeah.
take care of her kids.